For close to 7 decades, Maendeleo ya Wanawake has been at the forefront of fighting for women's rights in Kenya, and during this period, your organization has grown to become a bastion of civil society, advocating, especially at the grassroots level, initiatives that have tremendously changed our women's lives for the better. I believe the lives of women in Kenya and the communities that they live in are currently immeasurably better thanks to Maendeleo ya Wanawake's bold and consistent actions over the decades. Today, I am particularly happy to note the work of Maendeleo ya Wanawake, complementing government efforts to achieve the objectives of our Vision 2030 in the area of water and sanitation, the Vision 2030 blueprint that aims at ensuring that every woman in a household at the grassroots level gets a water tank for safe, clean, and reliable water for domestic use. It is therefore a great pleasure to launch the Maendeleo ya Wanawake National Water Project today. As you are aware, food, nutrition, security is one of the pillars of my administration's Big Four agenda. I chose to focus on food security because a nation which cannot feed its people is not worthy of its name. In this context, I appreciate and support the training your organization is offering to our women on smart agriculture in order to enhance food security at the household level. Additionally, and while still on the Big Four agenda, I am also happy to note that Maendeleo ya Wanawake is working in partnership with the Ministry of Health and the First Lady's Beyond Zero initiative on matters of maternal health care at the grassroots level. This has been a huge boost for our Big Four pillar of universal health coverage. Distinguished ladies, the real factor behind the exemplary success of Maendeleo ya Wanawake is clear. It is due to your unfailing commitment to the social economic empowerment of all women of Kenya. As an organization, you have clearly demonstrated that the empowerment of women is not merely by holding conferences in high-level hotels in Nairobi. You have been vibrant at all levels of society, especially at the grassroots. Indeed, you choose not to just talk the talk, but also walk it, delivering real gains for all your women folk across the country. Your collective efforts has made women in Kenya enjoy greater economic empowerment and independence than your sisters in the region and beyond. Through the Building Bridges initiative, Kenya is reimagining our nationhood and envisioning a nation where tribe, gender, age, ethnicity, and religion are no longer factors for division, but rather drivers of unity within our diversity. The BBI report has now given rise to a bill which on Jamhuri Day was christened the First Amendment, that crystallizes the BBI proposals into a comprehensive and deliverable framework. The BBI proposes significant gains for our women. There is greater representation in both the National Assembly and the Senate, which gives women a greater voice. At the county level, the opposite gender running mate rule proposed by BBI will dramatically increase the number of women elected to lead county governments, with the additional benefit of contributing to the shattering of the political glass ceiling across all ballots. I want to urge you, my dear sisters, mothers, and all women of Kenya, to unequivocally and emphatically support BBI. In BBI, Women also gain directly and indirectly through the gains secured for the youth, for persons with disabilities, for enhanced health care and economic opportunities, and for a more stable and peaceful electoral system and environment.
Maendeleo and Wanawake Organization has actively participated in the National Development Program through the National and the County Government Gender Sector Working Group framework. The framework facilitates the Maendeleo and Wanawake Organization to collaborate with other government agencies to create synergy for development for the realization of Kenya Vision 2030. Your Excellency, in the last 3 years, I'm happy to inform you, sir, I've witnessed strengthening of the institution in terms of effective governance for better service delivery to the members. In conclusion, Your Excellency, you have made Maendeleo and Wanawake Organization members proud of your continued support, right from the grassroots to the national level.